In this video we will show you how to group data files and how to color separate or grouped data files. If we are talking about buildings, our recommendation is to group your data files by levels or by inside and outside scans. This will allow you to manage and inspect your Undet project faster and easier. As you can see here, we have a lot of data files and it would be hard to manage them. In this case we will show you how to group files by level. If you want to group them by inside or outside positions, same workflow will apply, only difference is that you will have to use plan view instead of elevation view. To start grouping my data files to levels, first I will open elevation view of my project, to get the understanding of how many levels there are in this building. From first impression it seems like there are at least 4 different levels, so I will go ahead and create 4 new groups and rename them Level 0, Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. So now I will select all scan positions which seems to be on Level 0. After selecting them, I will press right mouse button, select Undet and then move to Group option. A pop-out window will appear and I will move those data files to selected group. Here you can see that I moved those data files to group, and now I can move on and move remaining data files to other groups. After grouping data files, you can see that I have some files ungrouped. Most likely it is because those scan positions was on different altitude. I will hide other scan locations and inspect what is the reason in our case. It seems like this is a staircase, so let's check to which level we can assign those data files. In case you are not sure about that, you can always go ahead and hop into Undet 3D Viewer by selecting scan position that you are interested in and clicking right mouse button, selecting Undet and then choosing 3D Viewer. A pop-out window will appear in which you will be able to inspect situation and make better decision. In this case I can see first level floor, so will assign data files which are on the same level to level 1. I will go ahead and do this to all ungrouped files. Now once we have all of our data files grouped, we can go ahead and color our levels in different colors. First, make sure that coloring by data is selected in the bottom of Undet palette. So now I will add different color for each of our group. This can be done for single file, as you can see right now. Simply select color mode, and that's it. You can see straight away that those data files are colored in our selected color. We will change color of another data file that is in the same group. Now all of my data files from this group is colored in orange. But what if we have a lot of data files like in level 1 group? Surely we will not go one by one. In cases like this, select first file and the last file of the group while holding shift button, then click right mouse button and apply desired coloring mode to the group. Now I will go ahead and apply coloring to each group. There is another way to group data files by level. This is automatic Undet function which will create new data files group for different levels according to defined step size. To run this automatic function, simply type Undet_1253 to your command line and press enter. After that you will be asked to define step size. New group will be created for data files which are outside selected step. In my case I will select 50 cm step size, so now Undet will automatically group all data files which will be 50 cm apart. Now workflow is the same as it was before, where I had to assign group for ungrouped data files, but this time they are in groups as well. I want to keep my preferred grouping structure, so I will remove those groups and assign them to other groups. You can rename those automatically created groups at any time. The generated name is the exact level of those data files. To apply coloring to grouped files, perform same steps as I did before. So now when we have our data files grouped and colored, we can go ahead and start working with your project. If you have any questions about data files grouping or any other Undet for AutoCAD functionality, send us email to info@undet.com. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info, subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.